6:54. Hello. We're going on a beach trip and I'm late. Yoink. Yoink. Hello, hello.
Hi, oh you're awake! I'll see you then. Word, yes, 7:09.
Okay, see ya.
Alright, see ya.
I'm with Jay. And I'm with Millie.
Going to Rye.
We are going to Rye. 4 days, staying for 3 nights. There's about 10 of us.
11, I think.
Yo, train will be leaving very soon. Dylan, hurry the fuck up.
Mind the gap as you take a step.
Alright, so everyone's made it.
Except for Dylan.
Shay, Zoe, Jacob, Isha, Millie, Jay. But what did Dylan do?
He missed the train.
He missed the train!
Our first train to the city, which would connect us to Rye, was at 7:09, and we found out that Dylan missed it. This caused us to have to wait for him at the station, which meant we missed our express train and put on about 20 minutes to see him.
We waited on the next train for Dylan. We missed our express train. Here he is.
Look who's here!
So the issue is, because Dylan's late, we now have to catch a bus that leaves in 2 minutes, but it takes 5 minutes to get there. Yeah. Oh no. Heath left his skateboard on the train after we just ran here.
He got that though.
But it looks like, I see Heath. It looks like we're good. We've arrived.
It's getting to Rye, we went to Woolies so we could get some supplies for the coming week.
We're doing a secret birthday surprise for Heath on the second night, so we got to get him a cake.
Then the fire alarm went off.
I thought we were gonna get have to leave. I'm so sad. How far do we have to go?
That's where we started. Oh, we're here.
Oh, far out.
So we took 3 shopping trolleys and just took all of our stuff and put it in there. And then we took the back streets, which was a horrible idea because it ended up taking like 40 minutes just to get to the house, and there were so many hills.
We are trekking up this mountain. And the trolleys are barely surviving on the stuff. We have yet another hill to go up.
You're taking a leak.
He's peeing. There's a view. How it feels, Zoe? Tour of the house.
Didn't see that. Welcome to my crib. To our left, we have the annex.
The annex.
Which Ollie will be sleeping in.
Yeah, Ollie's got diarrhea.
Got good vibes in here. And gastro apparently. It's our trolley collection.
Yeah?
Our 3 trolleys that we have. And our tables. But we prefer trolleys. Welcome to my crib. Here you have the kitchen.
Yeah.
Where Millie and Heath are trying to make mac and cheese. Here we have the table. That slurping sound, am I right? And Millie drinking tea and being moms.
Piss me
off and paying the consequence. And everyone's shit.
You have a Christmas tree.
Okay, down the hall, my sleeping quarters.
The bathroom. Let's check it. Toilet.
Down here. And a single.
My sleeping quarters. I'm sleeping there. Zoe's sleeping there, and Jade is sleeping there.
Have the master, where we have Jacob in his underwear and Zoe.
Alright, Jacob and Isha sleeping in here.
My mac and cheese is calling. Okay, whoever did that, I put it on.
Why would you throw it in the freezer?
It's fucked up, guys.
Alright, we are heading down to the beach. Let's go.
Home sweet home. Hello. So, we're back from the beach and we are cooking spag bowl. Aiden and Ollie just arrived and they brought
more trolleys in case we need any more.
Good morning, Zoe. Going down to the beach.
Oh, we're going to the beach. Wow. But yeah.
Okay, I'm getting dressed.
Zoe's getting changed, so I'm just going to position you this way.
Oh wow, okay.
Alright. That's it.
That's so creepy. Shut the door.
I just flew the drone over there and it had to emergency land in 3 seconds and I just flew all the way back. I was so scared. So the second day was the day with like the worst weather, so we just decided to not swim. We just went shopping and all that kind of stuff. But it was the night where we planned to do his surprise birthday dinner. So we made his cake and you guys can be the judge. I certainly wouldn't eat this. We're making it in the annex so he doesn't see.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
It's been his birthday like 3 days ago and he doesn't know, but we're taking him to a birthday dinner tonight and we're making him a cake right now while he's in the shower. Kids, the girls are getting changed, so go away. Girls are getting changed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stop.
Dylan's getting changed.
I'm making it here.
Stop you, Pam.
Ooh. I'm gonna say. You stole the pole. Stop looking. Actually, piss off. You're not allowed to look at this.
We're going out for his dinner and we finished the cake, but it looks like dog shit, like absolute dog shit. Anyway, he's walked in like 6 times, so I'm sure he knows what we're doing. Anyway, we'll see you there.
Happy birthday to you. It's alright, you can't really sing.
No, you're doing this. Oh, no, don't drop. Thanks, mate. Good. How are you, champ? This was our last day at Rye, so we made the most of it. It was also the best weather, so we went to both the front and the back beach. This is definitely my favourite day of the trip. We're going to the beach. Oh yeah, we have another trolley now. We picked up another one. What?
Shouldn't glass.
Yeah, go now, go now.
Bus has arrived.
Put that tongue away.
No, it's not how. That's.
It wasn't they, it was she.
It was Ruby.
No, it was Shay.
Going to the beach. Heath may have fallen over. Show us your hand. Oh, you got the blood off.
Yeah.
Don't lick it, that's very odd.
Oh, baby.
Is this a bumboarding excursion?
It's the most wonderful beach.
Hola, amigo.
After going to the back beach, me and Aiden ran / skated home while everyone else caught an Uber. After that, we had dinner. Nothing much really happened. Absolute fine dining right here. Then after that, it was time to leave. The next morning we waxed Aiden's legs, then we got all of our stuff together, and everyone left me because I was getting picked up by my mum and my uncle to have another beach day, but that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, mate.